So guys, what are we doing today?
We're getting Mukbang McDonald's. Getting Mukbang. Look at Fable. He's a cute boy.
So guys, what were we
Yesterday
doing?
we got fish, but Aiden's fish is not ready to breed yet. Yeah. But
We'll just put them on the black tank.
yeah. My next one my big fish. Oh yeah. My female is pregnant. What up, babies?
Alright, so you guys, we will see you there, guys. So bye.
Yeah, bye.
I got that. I got that. I got that one.
Bye.
We're home.
Yeah. We're eating on the living room.
What will you eat today? They will do
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Food. And some more.
Hindi.
Table.
You're doing what, Aiden?
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Fable, no.
Mukbang.
Sit.
Mukbang.
I gave him a treat, but he accidentally drank his water too.
No.
What's up, baby?
Fable. Sit.
What's up, baby?
They have two 20-piece nuggets and
That's
there. They don't like burgers, so it's just all chicken and fries. Let's see how it works. Go. Is it good? Nana, just stay there with your kuya. Oh, make some more chair for yourself over there. That's fine. Masarap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Baby, good job.
And my kids doesn't drink soda. They only drink juice and water.
Hey. Mom.
Baby, just wanted
Fable,
to say hi.
no.
Mom.
Eat some chicken, please, Liam.
I am. Chicken nugget.
Oh, you are.
Me too.
No. I gave him. Your face. He's like, yeah, I love your chicken nuggets.
Me too.
Whose idea was this? Aiden's.
No.
No?
It was
me.
your idea.
Was it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the drive?
No.
I enjoy.
Yeah, me too.
And they were planning to get houses next to some of the neighborhoods here in our neighborhood.
McDonald's.
The McDonald neighborhood.
Yeah. Number of them.
Oh, poor Fable.
Oh.
I gave him a treat.
Let's see how many nuggets can you eat. How many are you eating now? Have you eaten,
My third.
Aiden? That's your third?
Yeah.
How about you, Kuya, Aiden?
I think second, I think.
How about you, Lan? Second?
Let me see.
I
Third?
haven't,
Oh,
I
second.
haven't eat a lot of fries, so somebody can take that. I haven't put ketchup on it yet.
Aiden likes his...
Holy.
No, your dipping sauce is what?
Right.
Ranch.
Ranch.
Yeah, and my favorite
What's yours?
ketchup.
And Kuya Liam is?
Ketchup.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'm not like ketchup with him too.
Why?
Cause sometimes.
I'm a beta fish.
Sorry. I picked slow-mo. That's okay.
Well,
What cup do you have, Lana?
you had the Hello Kitty. That's
And-
the Filipino. I mean, this is my sixth. 1, 2,
Mm-hmm. Kuya Aiden, how many do you have now?
4th one.
Fourth one. Okay.
Nobody gonna copy me with my burger.
Oh, yes, I can.
Nobody's copying me.
Let me see your burger. Lana likes burgers pala. Sarap.
Can I tell you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Lana bought goggles at the dollar store and she's not even using it.
Hala.
Poor people.
Oh, my.
Good boy, baby.
Oh, poor Fable.
No, baby.
All right.
He's a
We
good.
want him to not get sick. That's why we're not feeding him.
I'm a beta fish.
Are you?
And I'm a good fish.
Can you see? Are you done? Finish your burger. Si Kuya Liam, he will get his own juice, right?
I paid for my own fish.
You did.
Yeah.
We'll put it
She
up
got
on a vlog.
those like
Tetra fishes.
yeah tetras.
She got a see-through one.
Yeah, which is pretty cool.
What did you guys get?
I got a pregnant beta.
And you, Kuya Aiden?
A butterfly.
A butterfly one.
I really want to have a real fish.
We'll get one someday.
This
Not
one,
now.
I see Miss Ginger.
You're just learning how to take care of it, okay?
Okay.
Sarap! Oh, nam-nam. Si Kuya Liam. Kuya Aiden? You're not talking anymore. Are you okay, buddy? Look at Fable. He's about to sleep. Oh, poor Fablet.
I'm sorry, bud.
Wow. Do
Pistol.
you think you guys could finish the
No.
20 piece? No, it's okay. You don't have to finish
I
the whole
can
thing.
finish it all.
Oh my goodness, no.
I can. No, not. Yeah.
Hey, Bubba, you want a pillow?
There's another pillow
Ito
right there.
dalawa kasi sila. Ito si Kuya Aiden lang.
No, where's the bottom?
On the bottom.
The baby convertible.
No, my burger broken.
GTA now.
Hey, I need
Tell them, guys, don't forget to comment or
Like and subscribe and
make suggestions for
and then
our subscriber goal is 200.
so they could do some of the things that you want these kids to do.
And drink water.
Drink water all the time. That's right, right,
mash
Ma'am?
the like button and then click a like button and then mash like button. Hey, Liam, now tell about your YouTube fans.
My 7th.
And us TikTok stars.
This is my 17th.
I made a new TikTok.
What's your TikTok name?
It's the same name as
My fish.
Well, right now.
I got my fish. I made my own fish.
Got the clippers in the middle.
TikTok fish.
Bye. Finish watching. And like and subscribe.
Look at the camera
Like
when you're
and
saying that.
subscribe.
Click and subscribe and smash the like
And
button.
have a great day.
Yeah.
Did you have fun with your food mukbang?
Yeah. Big bing.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye. Dehydrated.
I said,
Oh, Fable,
stay
no.
hydrated.
Yeah, stay hydrated. And
Always drink water.
Like
Your
and subscribe
juice.
and we're trying to get to 200.
Yeah, for us to
It's
get a
up
lot.
to me.
And also, we're trying to get more TikTok.
Yeah,
Oh,
more TikTok followers. We have
Fable,
Fable.
my guys,
And
Fable,
keep
ate
following
some ketchup.
everyone.
okay.
No, Fable, ate some ketchup.
He did.
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye now.
Bye.
You had fun with your mukbang?
Yeah. Big bing.
Okay.
Mukbang.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye.